Today, I'll show you how to create work schedules for your team using Monday.com. If you're planning ahead for 2025 or simply want a smooth, organized workflow, this tutorial is your guide to setting up reliable, customized schedules that take all the guesswork out of team planning. By the end, you'll know exactly how to tailor your team's hours, assign the right schedule to the right people, and build a strong foundation for productivity. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to access your profile. Just look to the top right corner of the Monday.com dashboard. There's usually a circular icon or your avatar up there. Click it, and in the menu that pops up, you'll find the administration options. Now, everything about managing your workspace and team settings lives here. So don't worry about making changes. This area is designed to help you configure things precisely. Inside Administration, find the General category. This is where you'll locate Work Schedule. Monday.com keeps the organizational tools tucked under intuitive categories, so General is really your home base for anything foundational. Choose Work Schedule from this area. You might see old schedules here if you've set any up, but today we're starting fresh. Next, click Add a Schedule. This little button is the gateway to setting up brand new work patterns for your team. When you create a new schedule, you're basically telling Monday.com when your team is expected to collaborate, respond, and get things done. So be thoughtful about how you set this up. Now it's time to define your working days and times. Take a moment here. Think about your company's standard schedule, or maybe the unique hours one particular team follows. You'll want to specify not only which days of the week are considered working days, like Monday through Friday, but also the actual starting and ending times for each of those days. If your team is remote, global, or just works on a flexible schedule, Monday.com allows you to tweak each day individually. So don't hesitate to make adjustments that reflect how you really operate. Remember to account for any days off, holidays, or recurring breaks. For example, maybe your company always takes off on national holidays, or maybe Friday afternoons are reserved for professional development. By marking those days in your schedule, you ensure everyone's on the same page, and the platform won't schedule tasks or reminders when people aren't supposed to be working. If you're unsure or forget a holiday, don't worry. You can always come back and update the schedule later, so nothing is set in stone. Once you've mapped out the working days, times, and time off, it's time to assign this schedule to the right teams. Monday.com makes this process simple. Just pick the teams or departments that should follow this specific routine. This way, marketing can have one schedule, development another, and so on. Assigning the schedule thoughtfully is key. This makes sure everyone gets notifications and deadlines that actually fit their real availability, avoiding confusion and stress down the line. With everything set and double-checked, click Finish. This saves the schedule and locks in your choices. Take a breath here. Your team's schedule is now organized and ready to power up a productive, well-planned year. Setting up work schedules in Monday.com might seem like a small administrative task, but it's actually the secret sauce for clear communication, smoother projects, and a culture of respect for work-life balance. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video, drop a comment if you have any questions about scheduling in Monday.com, and subscribe for more practical, step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.